customer service is of paramount importance in the aviation industry. Ensure a seamless, secure, and comfortable travel journey for passengers with the IATA Passenger Ground Services Training Course. From Blue Ocean Academy, one of the Middle East's leading award-winning institutes in aviation training.
A great experience, and I would like you to join.
I've taken the IATA Passenger Ground Service at Blue Ocean.
So I recommend everyone to enroll your names.
And it was a great journey for 3 months with all the...
You can join Blue Ocean Academy for any course which you want.
We completed our course here in Blue Ocean Academy in Dubai.
Get trained by IATA-certified trainers with a hands-on learning experience to grow and attain a visible working position in the airport. Welcome to the world of Blue Ocean, where experienced subject matter experts offer the much-needed hands-on quality and practical knowledge-based training required to grow and attain leadership in your career. Join Blue Ocean Academy to benefit in your career like thousands of others have, and find out why we are the only super brands and great place to work organization in the training industry. Visit us at www.blueoceanacademy.com. 24 plus years of excellence, 25 plus awards, 1,000 plus corporate clients, 100,000 plus worldwide alumni. Enroll in our next batch and take a giant leap in your career.